Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
All right, let's start it off with this. A water spout captured. This is just wrapping up this cool stretch here by Bud. You can see this was taken just offshore of Ludington State Park. Pretty tiny spout, but a water spout nonetheless. We're going to be starting to see our temperatures really slide into a warmer regime, and not just near seasonable temperatures, but even a little bit warmer than usual for this time of year. So a few more 80s in store this week. Tonight headed down into the 40s, mostly clear skies, just a few high clouds are spilling in. You can see that we do have a system that's approaching. It's really not going to be doing much for us for Tuesday. So technically, as it approaches, we'll see winds out of the south, and that's one of the reasons why we'll be able to climb up to the mid-70s tomorrow. Beautiful day, low humidity, light winds, and even though we'll have a few clouds streaming through, it's going to be pretty pleasant. As we continue to watch this system, though, into Wednesday, it might produce just a few scattered sprinkles for us. That's about it. Most of the heavier rain is going to be headed to the Upper Peninsula, so watch your futurecast. You can see the heaviest rain really kicks off to the north. Marquette, a few thunderstorms, a few downpours, but even as this system approaches Sault Ste. Marie and then further south into Green Bay and Madison, it really fizzles out. So it's not really going to be able to hold on to its strength, and at best, Wednesday morning might see a few sprinkles as a result. Wednesday evening, a cold front rolls through. There might be a slight increase in wind as the cold front pushes through Wednesday evening, but we're really not expecting any big impacts. Typically, when we see a cold front, we at least see the temperature drop or the winds pick up or a few rain showers, but this one's going to be so weak that many of us won't even notice it. So after 76 tomorrow, we're headed to 79 for Wednesday. We do definitely need the rain. We're still sitting with abnormally dry conditions across most of West Michigan and still some technical drought areas in Ottawa County and Kent County. So again, that system on Wednesday not giving us nearly enough, but we do have some hope. It looks like Saturday into Sunday, we have a better chance of actually seeing some accumulation. Now, forecast models have truthfully been all over the place. Some only printing out a few hundredths of an inch, others a little bit more. What I'm liking is some of our more reliable models are starting to kick out some amounts that are closer to at least a half an inch. So that gives us hope that we'll at least see a nice drink of water overnight Saturday into Sunday. But until then, very dry, and look at that, at least a 3-day stretch in the 80s. 8-day forecast. We cool down as we get into Monday and Tuesday of next week, but not overly so. All in all, it's just a very pleasant week of weather. Stick around, Jack Doles is in next with sports.